Silence is the sound of failure. The sound of failure is silence. One would have thought it would have brought lashes and bolts of violence. That's not what happens. Nothing happens. You work like the devil and nothing happens. Silence is the sound of failure. The sound of failure is silence. All that we sought was all for naught. Even within her guidance, strange how it moves on. Nothing moves on. You're like Cinderella, cept nothing moves on. I guess we want so many things, and know how we dream until everything seems possible. Is that logical? But then the time comes to dream all of those things into more than fancies, into reality. But they meet up with the reality. Silence is the sound of failure. The sound of failure is silence. One would have thought it would have brought lashes and bolts of violence. That's not what happens. Nothing happens. You work like the devil and nothing happens. Silence is the sound of failure. Silence is the sound of failure. Silence is the sound of failure. The sound of failure is silence.